For medical staff on the front line, this has been a tough year working under extreme circumstances. Staff within the Children's Hospital in Glasgow came to realise that their usual coping mechanisms had become restricted.
When we find something stressful, how we cope with that is by talking to each other, and that might be friends, it might be family, it might be other staff members. And now in the setting of COVID, that's much more challenging in work because of PPE, which makes communication a lot more challenging. But also with social isolation and travel restrictions, being able to maintain those connections in a meaningful way is much more challenging.
The peer support network was established, providing staff with emotional support following traumatic events. And already, after a particular major incident, the sessions have proved effective.
There was a real palpable sense of how much they were struggling in the aftermath of these difficult, really difficult circumstances. So to be able to have the opportunity to get that group of traumatised individuals together and really facilitate them supporting each other. What came back to us from that was how necessary that was and how much they all felt supported and helped, and how each individual felt that they were suffering alone, and some of them felt that they were going mad with waking up with nightmares, with flashbacks, and for them to share each other's stories and each have their own individual experience but go through that together. It was really, really powerful.
Following the success of the pilot, the Glasgow Children's Hospital charity provided a grant of £12,000 to expand the programme.
If you have a happy staff, a motivated staff, you will get happy patients, and that's really important. Even during this pandemic, we made sure that we were taking treats to them and just bolstering them, because we were appreciating so much what they were doing in such a difficult time.
It's hoped even when some form of normality returns outside of the hospital, the support network will still be in place within. Louise Scott, STV News, Glasgow.